and welcome to Flow Medical. Today's lesson is all about Singles Day in China, which is basically like China's version of Black Friday. As always, I'll start by reading a short paragraph, and then we'll go over 10 key vocabulary words together. 雙十一又叫光棍節，係中國一個非官方同非傳統嘅節日。呢個節日原本係單身青年男女嘅節日，但因為電商嘅營銷手段，而家已經變成購物節。雙十一呢個購物節又叫剁手節，顧名思義就係買到停唔到手。各大電商平台，例如淘寶同天貓，都會提早幾個星期開始做宣傳，推出各式各樣嘅優惠同折扣，吸引大家提前將心頭好放入購物車。好多人包括我自己都會等到半夜12點即刻落單。化妝品、衫褲鞋襪、電子產品、家居用品，我樣樣都買咗啲，希望啲貨快啲送到，咁我可以開箱拍片，同大家分享我嘅戰利品。The keywords you'll be learning in this lesson are 官方、單身、電商、剁手、宣傳、心頭好、購物車、落單、樣樣、開箱。Now let's go through the keywords from a short paragraph. First, 官方。官方 It means official. Here's a sample sentence. 光棍節係中國一個非官方嘅節日。Singles Day is an unofficial festival in China. Second, 單身。單身 This is the word for single. 我嘅朋友好鍾意單身嘅狀態，佢哋覺得好自由。My friends really enjoy being single. They feel it gives them a lot of freedom. Next, 電商。電商 This refers to e-commerce. 電商平台喺雙十一推出好多優惠。E-commerce platforms launch many promotions during Singles Day. Moving on to 剁手。剁手 literally means to chop hands off. It means to overspend. It expresses shopping too much and regretting spending too much money. 雙十一又叫剁手節，顧名思義， 就係賣到停唔到手。Double 11 is also called the Chop Hand Festival. As the name suggests, it means shopping so much that you just can't stop yourself. Up next, 宣傳。宣傳 This means to promote. 各大電商平台都會喺雙十一前嘅幾個星期開始做宣傳活動。Major e-commerce platforms start their promotional campaigns a few weeks before Singles Day. After that, 心頭好，心頭好 This means something you like. 嗰件衫係我嘅心頭好，幾乎每次出街都着。That piece of clothing is my favorite. I wear it almost every time I go out. Next up, 購物車，購物車。This is the word for shopping cart. 我喺超市買餸唔用購物車，我用購物籃。When I buy groceries at the supermarket, I don't use the shopping cart. I use the shopping basket. Let's look at 落單，落單。This means to place an order. 我凌晨12點準時落單買手機。I place my phone order right at midnight. Next, 樣樣，樣樣。It means every kind. 化妝品、衫褲鞋襪、電子產品，我樣樣都買咗啲。Cosmetics, clothes, electronic products. I bought a bit of everything. Finally, 開箱，開箱。This means to unbox. 我打算拍片開箱，分享我嘅戰利品。I plan to film an unboxing video to share my shopping haul. Let's quickly review the vocabulary we covered today. Please repeat after me. 官方 official 單身 single 電商 e-commerce 腳手 to overspend 宣傳 to promote 心頭好 something you like 購物車 shopping cart 落單 to place an order 樣樣 every kind 開箱 to unbox. Alright, it's quiz time. Let's see how much you have learned today. I'll describe a phrase and you'll try to guess it. Think about it for a moment and I'll review the answer. First question. 呢個係指政府正式宣佈嘅嘢。This means something that's officially announced by the government. The answer is 官方 official. Second question. 呢個係形容冇拍拖嘅人。This is to describe someone who is not in a relationship. The answer is 單身 single. Next question. 呢個係喺網上賣嘢。This means selling online. The answer is 電商 e-commerce. Let's try this one. 呢個係過於沉迷網絡購物，花錢如流水之後感到後悔。This means being overly addicted to online shopping, spending money like water, and feeling regret afterward. The answer is 剁手 to overspend. Here's another one. 呢個係指推廣產品或者活動。This means to advertise a product or an event. The answer is 宣傳 to promote. Moving on to 呢個係形容你鍾意嘅物品。This is used to describe an item you like. The answer is 心頭好 something you like. Next question. 如果你去超市買好多餸，咁你要推咩？ If you go to the supermarket and buy a lot of groceries, what do you need to push? The answer is 購物車 shopping cart. Let's keep going. 呢個係指顧客做出購物嘅行為。This refers to the action of a customer making a purchase. The answer is 落單 to place an order. Moving on. 每樣嘅另一個講法係咩？ What is the other way to say 每樣？ The answer is 樣樣 every kind. Last question. 呢個係指打開包裹。This refers to opening a box. The answer is 開箱 to unbox. That's it for today's lesson. Don't forget to check the description for the downloadable notes so you can study all the vocabulary we learned today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye!